Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Family, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from where you're watching this video from. So guys, in this video I'm going to be making onions oil. I'm going to show you guys how my hair grows so long, what make your hair to grow. So what you need to do, this is red onions. Yes, so I got red onions at the any place, is the supermarket, anywhere you can get red onions in the market. So I just slice the onions into four. I just chop the onions into 4 pieces. That is how I'm going to slice all the onions. See, this recipe is not just for only adults. You can use it for your baby. The oil is so good. So the things I'll be using, even if you don't have the one you have, you can still use it. So just to make your own oil, and it's really good. So but you need to be careful when applying it to your hair, because you know onion smells so much, so you need to be very careful when you're applying the onions on your hair. So guys, after peeling the onions, I'm just going to peel out all these things out, so and I slice it into 4. Then I will add a little bit of water to it, not too much, very little water. That's what I'm going to add inside the blender. So I'm going to blend it. And guys, if you don't understand, or if there's any question you want to ask me, feel free to let me know in the comment section. So I just put water and I'm going to blend it. I'm coming back. Yeah guys, this is my onions. I just blend it. So what I had is olive oil, not granite oil, it's olive oil. So this is what I had. I just add olive oil in the pan, and I just had my onions, blended onions. So I'm just going to turn it. So this is my pure almond oil. So I'm going to still add a little bit, depends on the quantity, how many you want the oil to be, many the onions oil. So this is castor oil. Any castor oil is okay. So I am using this type of castor oil. You see, it's really small, so I'll be using it. So you just add your castor oil. So I'll be adding coconut oil. So this is oil here, is with coconut oil. So why am I adding this? I'm adding 2 types of coconut oil because onion smells so bad. So I just want the coconut oil is good normal for hair. You can rub it. I rub the coconut oil on my hair normal, but because I just want the smell of the onions to like go down a little bit, so that's why I add this oil. So this is another coconut oil. This is pure coconut oil, as in raw coconut oil. So you see, I had a lot of quantity on the pure coconut oil so that the smell will go down a little bit. So this is it guys. I just need to turn everything together, and I lower the gas so it will not be boiling so much. So I just lower it. So then I'll keep it for 10 to 5 minutes for this thing to cool, because it's hot, so I just need to cool. So this is what I'll be using to steam, like to bring out the oil out. This is cap, as in a lot of women know this. So I'm using homemade tutorial. So this is my onions oil. I just turn everything inside the net. So this is what I'm going to do. This is a simple recipe, and it's worked perfectly well. I give this onions oil I give almost like 4 people to use it, and everyone is saying it's working, it's okay, and I'm still waiting for some people to give me feedback. So this is how I'll just steam the water hot. So I just try and bring out the oil out, the onions oil. So guys, you just keep pressing. This is so see the smell that is coming out from this onions is bish. the smell is so strong. So thank God I had coconut oil. So if you don't have the rest of oil, but try to add coconut oil and castor oil and olive oil. This three is okay if you don't have the rest oil that I use, but coconut oil, castor oil and olive oil is very good. Coconut oil is natural, is very good on your hair, and it will help the smell to go down. If you still add extension oil, it's still okay. So guys, this is my oil. So I'm going to do it again, steam it again, so that, because I don't want onions, I don't want the onions, I just need only the oil. But this is it, there is nothing, there's no onions, so I am good to go, guys. I am good to go. This is it. So why is it hard to remove? Because I'm using it. Okay, good. So I'm going to bring out my container. I'm going to turn everything inside my container, just to make so that when I want to rub it on my head, it's already prepared. So I'm going to turn it inside with a filter. I'm going to use a funnel. I'm just going to pour it inside. So this is my onions oil tutorial. It really helps. If you know you can do this recipe, it's okay. It's going to make your hair, your daughter hair, if your hair is breaking, it's not just for only natural hair, it's even retouching, relaxing hair is okay. It just make your hair at the front if your hair is breaking. Because my hair is growing, my hair break a lot, as in when I comb my hair start breaking. So that's my problem. And of my front hair, the edges of my hair keep breaking, so I don't know why. So this recipe is good, so it helped my hair to like get stronger. So guys, this is my onion oil, and this is the leftover. So I don't have any container to put it, but I'll later look for any used one I have at home just to turn it inside. So guys, our onions oil is ready. I'm going to show you guys a video on how to apply this on your hair. So this is the video. Guys, I'm in the shop now, so I'm going to show you guys how to apply this onions oil on your hair. Just sit down and watch the video. Okay guys, if this place is okay, maybe you can just drop like this. I don't know if you can see it, so I prefer to use this and just take and drop. So that's why I put it in this little container for me. So you can weave your hair straight or back, or even anything. Like now, I did not make my hair, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut my hair like this, the scalp, then I'll just take like this, you can see, and this is the scalp. Then I'll just put, I don't know if you can see, then I'll close, then pat my hair. See guys, this is onions. The smell is like, it smells too much, but because I had coconut oil, and I had two type of coconut oil, and so you see what I add. So everything, at least it didn't make the smell not too much, but it still smelling, because this red onions is smelling. So you just add little. If you know that maybe if you can put this if you can put it in your hair, maybe the next morning you can wash it, it's okay, you can still wash it. But if you know that you are not going to wash, or you're going to leave it like that, don't put too much, just little. Trust me, your hair is going to work, your hair is going to grow. To me, because I'm not washing my hair, so I'll just add little in the scalp, then cut again. These are going to do it throughout, then like this, then I had. So this is how I'm going to cut. So after doing this, then rub in the front hair like this. So if you don't have, you can just use this and press it on your arm like this. In the scalp, this then you massage. Guys, if you're going to watch this, it's okay, but me, I'm not adding too much, just little in the scalp. If you weave your hair straight or back, you can put it in the morning, or you can put it in the evening. Then the next morning you just washed it and put shampoo if you like, just wrist it out. It's going to work. Or maybe every evening you just put it and wrist it out, or maybe on the same in the morning if you're going out, just put it in the scalp. It's going to make your hair grow, trust me. This remedy is good. So this is it. So that's good. It's going to work perfectly fine. If you are going to try this out, if you are going to try this onion oil out, please let me know in the comment section, and the outcome, let me know. Trust me, your hair is going to grow very well. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and as you do that, God bless you.